Come on in and welcome back to my kitchen. I'll be showing you how I make my jollof rice and beans. The final meal should not be soggy, but well done. I apologize for not showing the ingredients like I love to do in my videos. I lost some of my footage. Kindly check the description section found below the video title for the ingredients guide list. What I have done right here was to pick my beans, give it a rinse, and then boiled it in sufficient water. Go ahead and also pre-soak your rice with the hottest water from your tap. This will serve as the regular parboiling we typically do when we don't want soggy rice. It will also hydrate all the dry grain and give them all equal cooking time, so you do not run into some being done and others being hard. Once the beans start boiling as shown, set your timer to 3 minutes. This will be our parboil stage as well. Discarding and rinsing the beans will take out the gas that leads to bloating and other stomach upset associated with eating beans. Rinse as shown and place back into the pot to start the real cooking. Let me share with you 2 tips on how to keep your beef skin intact when you cook it. Tip 1 is to make sure that the water to be used is at the same level. I add in garlic clove, but it's really optional. Add in salt as well. Tip 2 is to make sure that you are gently cooking your beans and not boiling. The next thing we are going to do is to prepare and blend our pepper mix. I've shown this a couple of times in my video. It's just the same regular process. Cut them into chunks and go and blend them in your blender. Ensure to check on your beans at regular interval to ensure that you have sufficient water to cook the beans. Once your pepper mix is blended, add this to the pan and cook it down till significantly reduced. About 20 minutes later, the beans, when you press on it, will give way but yet still feels firm, known as a dante. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but that's how I pronounce it. Once that is achieved, set your beans aside. Preheat your oil and saute the sweet onion. I love to add to my sweet onion salt when I saute them. In my own head, it enhances the sweetness of the onion. This is optional, you can do without it. Scoop in the tomato paste and fry it for some minutes as well. Please ensure to keep an eye on this by stirring it frequently to prevent it from burning. After some minutes of frying, say 10 to 15 minutes, taste your content and ensure there is a balance between tangy and sweet flavor. Once you're satisfied, add in your washed rice and your pre-cooked beans. Your meat stock makes it taste better, but if none is available, please use water and then use the seasoning powder and all that to make it taste nice. Because my stock was not enough, I topped it with water. We do not want a lot of water. Rice and beans cook best on steam. This will prevent soggy end result as well. Once it comes to a boil, give your food a taste to adjust seasoning to be used. Once you're satisfied with the taste, cover up the lid and reduce your heat level to the lowest setting. 30 minutes later, we're going to check for doneness. Once it is done, I just added the chopped chives for color. It is totally not necessary. Our food is ready at this stage. You see, it's not soggy and it's just looking so nice. The ratio of beans to rice that you use is dependent on you. If you wanted more, you use more beans, but I was fine with this ratio, 3:1. I do hope you will try this and leave me your feedback. Thank you. Until next time when I see you again. Let's learn and cook together. Bye bye.